Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss and we are going to see each and everything on King Casino platform. How basically King Casino, you can say the whole token will work and how we can take benefit from this platform. First of all, I will tell you main things. Right now their IO is ongoing on La token and P2P, B2B. If you want to purchase the token, you can go directly by just clicking on this link and you can basically redirect towards the main thing here where you can basically buy it from the La token and also from the P2P, B2B. At this time, what I want to show you is entirely different. Basically, the main work of kingcasino.io platform, how it will work. Here you can see kingcasino.io is a licensed cryptocurrency online casino registered in Curacao, offering an amazing collection of over 1000 high quality slot games and all well known casino games such as blackjack, poker, and baccarat. We offer all the live casino games you can imagine as well as sports betting and much more. Here you can see the main advantages of kingcasino.io. It gives you the opportunity to become a shareholder and participate in the booming market of cryptocurrency online gaming. As per my knowledge, basically in cryptocurrency market at this time there are not as much, you can say, gaming tokens. So definitely this token will work over there. Earn up to 45% revenue share by becoming a partner in our industry leading affiliate program. At this time, they also have the basically you have the chance to use your affiliate link. By your affiliate link, if anyone is going to purchase this token, the KCT, definitely you are going to earn number of benefits from it. Here you can see you can get rewarded by playing your favorite games at our fun, fast, and legally licensed casino. You can use several popular the popular, you can say, coins to securely deposit, wager, and withdraw your winnings at kingcasino.io in BTC, Ethereum, USDT, Charcoin, and KCT token, their main token of King Casino. You have the chance to basically play in their casino at any time, or you can basically refer your basically you can use your own referral link, and with your own referral link, if anyone is going to play these games in main kingcasino.io, seriously you are going to get benefit from it. That is also a very plus point. If you don't have money to buy this token, you can basically do a simple favor with them. You can basically take the simple benefit from them, that you can use your own referral link with the help of your own, you can say, affiliate link, your referral link. With the help of that, you are able to get much more benefit from them. What is KCT token all about? It is basically a security token. That is a very, you can say, important thing which no one is going to tell you. What is security token all about? The KCT token, an ERC20 based security token, is a cryptographic token that pays the dividends, shares profits, and can be used for wagering or purchasing services at our online casino. By owning the KCT token, the investor will become a stockholder. A stockholder, it is such a great thing, a stockholder who owns a share of our company and receive dividends every quarter based on the number of tokens held. It means, for example, I am going to tell you a simple example. For example, if any company start up their work at $100,000, when basically the company increase and grow up and it reach, for example, $500,000, then definitely all the token holders, if you are the token holder of KCT, definitely you are going to get number of money. It means that, for example, the 400,000 which basically increased up in that one company, I'm just giving you an example. For example, if 400,000 basically include and grow up, basically the company grow up from 100,000 to 500,000, then the 400,000 profit will be divided on all the main stockholders, on all the token holders. That is a great thing regarding this platform. Next, you can see the total supply of KCT token and how much token basically they are going to sell. At this time, the price is entirely low on their IEO. If you are going to purchase it, it's up to you. You must have to see that one once. Here you can also see quarterly profit sharing. That is an amazing thing, in at least in cryptocurrency, because at this time I don't think so that any ICO or IEO is offering this thing, or any project is offering the same thing, like you can basically take benefit in every quarter of profit sharing. Second, you can see the token burn. It means KingCasino.io will burn 5% of all KCT tokens wagered at our online casino every quarter to reduce token supply and create a higher demand for the token. Whenever, I will also give you an example over here, a very huge exchange which we already, basically all the people in the cryptocurrency already using it. They offered one thing last year, that they are going to burn 18% of that one supply of their token. After that one, number of, basically you can see increase in demand of buying. So same they are going to do, that they are going to burn 5% of all KCT tokens every, you can say, quarter. By that one, the supply will go down and the demand will go high. With the help of economics, I will tell you a very simple thing. Whenever the supply is going down and you can say that the demand is high, so definitely the price will increase at that time. So that is the, you can say, main part, and you can say the very attractive part of this whole platform, the King Casino. Okay, before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel, the Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon. And if you are listening my voice first time, kindly please help me out and also subscribe us on our all social media, so you are going to get to know each and everything regarding the new ICOs, IEOs, and even the exchanges. And the most important thing is this, that I always share all the latest news of the cryptocurrency every time. Now, the next thing is voting power on major issues. That is also a great thing. Shareholders who have basically held KCT tokens in a smart contract for over 3 months and granted special privileges, they enjoy decision making or voting rights regarding the business plan and any significant proposed changes. For example, if you are a holder of KCT token, and if you are going to basically put that one, your own, basically you hold some the KCT tokens, and you are going to take that one tokens, your KCT tokens, in the main, you can say, the main platform. If you are going to hold your KCT tokens, then you have the chance to basically finalize anything. For example, the King Casino is going to launch on Binance, for example. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Then you have the chance to tell, and then you have the chance to vote about that one, that either basically KCT have to list it over there or not. You have to decide that one. That is also a very great thing regarding this whole project. The last thing is fast transactions. Token holders can safely and securely buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw KCT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT easily within just minutes and join in all the games. That is the main part of this whole platform, that fast transactions. Nowadays, every day we are facing number of congestion on so many gas stations. Okay, so they are offering you that thing, that at this time, if you are going to be the holder of KCT, then definitely you have the chance to send your all assets on the main platform, and you can easily basically join all the games. That is the current, basically main part of this platform. Here comes the whole KingCasino.io main theme, and you can say the main work on which it will work. Here you can see the advisor of basically King Casino, and here you can basically found all the team, and you can talk to them. At this time you have the chance to talk to them directly on LinkedIn. So go and talk to them, because 24/7 that whole team is over there for you, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.